What is it like to be to be a developer in software in 2006? Roadmap for software developers in 2026. Surviving and thriving in the AI era. The wake up call. If you're a web developer, software engineer, front-end developer, and backend engineer, cloud engineer, or anyone in tech, this video is not motivation. It's a warning and a roadmap. The way we work as developers and engineers has completely changed over the last decade. But 26 is different. AI models are running every single week. Companies are moving faster than ever, and being a developer alone is no longer enough. Many people are not prepared, and 26 will expose that gap. This is not fear mongering. This is reality. What's really happening in the job market? Thousands of developers are being laid off by tech giants. According to CBS, CNBC, and Layoffs FI, this is not random. There's a comfortable truth. Companies today are burning $200,000 to $2 million per month on GPU costs, cloud infrastructures, AI infra costs, salaries, internal AI tooling, and companies are juggling two massive problems. The COVID of because of COVID over hiring. During COVID, companies hire too fast, expanded teams without long-term stability. Because of staying competitive in the AI race, AI is expensive, and that budget is coming from somewhere. AI is draining the budget that used to pay for people. So companies are asking, do we need 10 engineers or 4 engineers plus AI? So why traditional developer are at risk in 2026? Let's be honest. If you if your workflow look like this, you're googling answers on Stack Overflow, copying pasting solutions, writing code line by line manually, avoiding AI tools, then we are already behind. Today, developers are triggering AI assistants, using AI for debugging, using AI for architectural decisions, using AI for testing and optimization. AI hasn't replaced developers. It has replaced slow developers. That's what it means. The new rule of 26, pick a lane and go deep. In 26, generalize without deep will struggle. You must pick a lane and specialize. Let's break let's break this down by role. Roadmap by tech role. Like for example, some web developers or front developers. Your future is not just HTML, CSS, and React. You must add performance, optimization, availability, that WCAG, inclusive design, AI power UI, chatbot, copilot, personalization, API integration and analysis. Then front-end devs who understand business impact. So AI UI will win. Then we also have back-end developers, so software engineers. The back-end is becoming the brain of AI products. Focus on back-end analysis, event-driven systems, API design for AI products, data pipelines, AI orchestration. If you don't understand how AI consumes and produces data,